Every element of the Rochambeau program is something that we've already gone over. So that's why I set up each part of the program as a challenge exercise. Right? Of course, we're going to use the main function. We're going to print out a welcome message, let them know what they can choose, take in their input using a raw input because they're going to type in rock, paper, or scissor. Right? So we need to use raw input, take it in as a string. We're going to generate a random number for the computer from 0, 1, or 2. 0 means that the computer chose rock, 1 means the computer chose paper, and 3 means the computer chose scissors. Right? And after that's done, then we have everything we need because we have the user's choice here and we have the computer's choice here. So what I have is a branch statement right here, one branch statement. If, elif, 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 elif. And what am I checking? I'm checking, did the user choose rock and did the computer choose rock? So if both of these statements are true, then the whole Boolean expression is true because we're using and. And if that's true, then we're going to print out the computer chooses rock and you've tied. Right? So it's rock versus rock. And notice here that I've checked for 3 different choices if the user chooses rock. 3 different possibilities if the user chooses paper, and 3 different possibilities if the user chooses scissors. So I've accounted for every possibility in the game. And so let me go ahead and run this program, and let's see if it actually works. Okay, so here we go, and I'm going to type in rock, and it says computer chose scissors, and I won. Yes, that's right, Rock beats scissors. And then I'm going to do paper, and it's going to say computer chooses scissors, and I lost, and that's true because the scissors can cut the paper. And then I'm going to choose scissors, and it says computer chooses rock, you lost. That's true because the rock destroys the scissors. Right? So it looks like our game works. Let me see if I can win. Nope, I lost again. I tied, and scissors. Man, I cannot win this game. Oh, great. So I won. So rock versus scissors, and I won. Okay. So this is the Rochambeau program, and what I want you to do is to take this and convert it into a graphical game using turtles and the buttons and all of that stuff. Okay. So let me show you what I mean by that. And let's go ahead and come over to here, this second little program I called Rochambeau Graphical, and I'm going to run that, and this is what I get. Okay, a welcome message at the top, choose your weapon, 3 buttons, and if I click on the button, then it goes ahead and plays the game and tells me who won or who lost. Okay, so computer chooses rock and I lose. So I think the logic I have here is wrong, but this is basically what we want to work towards. Okay, so what I want you to do is to create a new project for the challenge exercise and print out the welcome message at the top. You could have choose your weapon if you want, right? Yours doesn't have to be exactly like mine, just like your Rochambeau program here is probably not exactly like mine. Right? But that's fine. That's not a problem. So we need a welcome message. We have to have 3 buttons, letting the player choose what they want to use as their weapon, and then we want them to be able to click on each button. Okay, so maybe as a start we could say if I click on the rock, it prints out rock right here, and if I print on paper, it prints out paper right here. And if I print out scissors, it prints out scissors right here. And even better, maybe you could print out rock down here and paper here and scissors here. That would be even better. So let's start with that, and then we'll move on to the second part once that's finished.